Okay. Fine. Vaishali, you are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Okay, fine. So biodegradable, such as, see, examples I have mentioned: domestic waste products, urine, faucet matters, okay, then sewage, right? So all this, then agricultural residues, okay. And then you are having this papers, wood, right? Okay, and cloth. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, ये बायोडिग्रेडेबल पॉल्यूटेंट्स है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल पॉल्यूटेंट्स? नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल मींस व्हिच आर नॉट लाइक, जो हम लोग जल्दी से डिग्रेड नहीं होता है, ठीक है, एनवायरनमेंट में. जैसे मैं बोलूं, ये देखो, दिस इंक्लूड्स वेरियस इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, प्लास्टिक्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स, mercury, lead, arsenic, aluminium, radioactive waste. All this cannot be degraded in the environment easily. ठीक है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? बायोडिग्रेडेबल, नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल
Pollutants.
pollutants. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
ma'am.
Yeah.
ठीक है, next. Now there are various types of pollution that we are having. The one is, pollution can be classified into main four categories. ठीक है, जैसे अगर हम लोग बोलेंगे एयर पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन, सॉइल पोल्यूशन, नॉइज पोल्यूशन. तो एयर पोल्यूशन मीन्स व्हाट? एयर पोल्यूशन मीन्स इट रेफर्स टू द एडिशन ऑफ पोल्यूटेंट्स इनटू द एयर. ठीक है, and
Okay.
which is very much like harmful for the human beings and the planet as a whole. Okay, so what are the various sources that we are having? Right, automobiles, they emit pollution, air pollution, okay, they emit carbon dioxide into the air. Electrical power plants, industrial
Okay.
process, heating plants, okay. So all this can be the source of air pollution.
Fine.
Is that clear?
Fine.
Okay, now we will
Okay.
do certain things, we will see certain things. और सुनील, आपने कल मुझसे एक क्वेश्चन जाते जाते पूछा था, मैम व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बेंजीन एमिशन?
Yes, madam. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so benzene
Yes.
emission is nothing but, again, it is one kind of, we can see, is found in the air.
Okay.
Okay, and this is occurred from burning of coal. If we burn the coal, okay, burning
Okay.
of
Fine.
coal or oil, right, gasoline service station, ठीक है, तो
Fine.
वहां से हम लोगों को ये गैस एमिट होता है, बेंजीन गैस. Okay, motor vehicle,
Okay.
from motor vehicle also this gas emit.
Fine. Okay.
Okay, and this may like, this has an effect, serious effect on like leukemia. It is nothing but it is a cancer of the tissues, okay, that form the
Can
white blood cells. Yes, leukemia.
okay. Could you please elaborate, madam? Benzene emission.
Sorry,
Could you please elaborate? Give another example for that.
benzene emission.
Yeah.
Okay, benzene emission, अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, it is like, it is basically found in the crude oil.
Crude oil. Okay.
ठीक है, and it is used to make the plastic too.
Plastic. Fine. Yes, madam. Okay.
ठीक है, और अगर हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, प्लास्टिक, सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स, राइट, रबर, लुब्रिकेंट्स, डिटर्जेंट्स, अगर इसको हम लोग बर्न करते हैं, जलाते हैं, तो बेंजीन गैस एमिट होता है,
Fine.
राइट।
Fine.
जैसे हम
Fine.
लोग अगर
Fine.
जंगल को जला रहे हैं, राइट, इट इज नेचुरली लाइक प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द वोल्केनोस एंड फॉरेस्ट फायर्स।
Okay. Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
ठीक है, और ये
Okay.
बहुत ज्यादा अगर
Okay.
मैं बोलूँ ना, इंडस्ट्रियल केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज में यूज होते हैं। इट इज अ
Fine.
पार्ट ऑफ
Fine.
gasoline service station.
What is the answer, madam, for this cement industry, say, cigarettes and air exhausted, paint and varnish? What is the answer?
हाँ, तो सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री, कार एग्जॉस्ट, यहाँ पे उन्होंने पेंट एंड वार्निश बोला है ना।
Yes, madam. Yeah, I got confused on this only.
हाँ, तो मैंने अभी वही बोला है आपको कि इट इज यूज टू मेक प्लास्टिक्स, रेजिन्स, सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स, रबर लुब्रिकेंट्स, डाइज, डिटर्जेंट्स, ड्रग्स
Okay.
एंड
Okay.
पेस्टिसाइड्स।
Fine.
Okay, so I hope like they like the fourth one is correct, because dyes like paints.
Paints.
Okay.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो उसमें हमारा ये बेंजीन एमिशन होता है।
Okay. I had a correct answer for that. Yes,
ठीक
madam.
है।
Yeah. Okay.
Now, see,
Fine.
I have given you some major air pollutants, their sources and the impact. If you can see
Okay.
the like carbon monoxide, how we can denote it is like CO for carbon monoxide. And what are the sources? Fuel combustion from engines and vehicles. And what are the impact? Reduces the amount of oxygen, aggravates heart disease, chest pain. Okay, so
Fine.
all these
Okay.
things I have given you in the table format. Lead, it is also written as PB. P for capital and B is for short. Metal refineries and other metal industries. Waste incinerators, okay, waste burners. Incinerators means what? जहाँ पे हम लोग जलाते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसको हम लोग incinerators बोलते हैं, right? And what are the
Fine.
impacts?
Yes, madam.
It damages our nervous system, it results in IQ loss, cardiovascular and renal effects in adults, effects related to anemia.
Okay.
Okay, then nitrogen dioxide, NO2, again fuel combustion and wood burning. The impact is on lung diseases relating to respiratory symptoms, increases susceptibility to respiratory infections. Okay.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट वन वी आर हैविंग पर्टिकुलेट मैटर्स, जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना छोटे छोटे, ठीक है, छोटा छोटा पर्टिकुलर, लाइक हम लोग बोलते हैं जैसे बहुत ही छोटा, छोटे छोटे चीजें, ठीक है, जैसे केमिकल रिएक्शंस, फ्यूल कंबशंस, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस, राइट, उसमें से आते हैं, ठीक है। इट कैन बी अ मिक्सचर ऑफ योर लिक्विड, सॉलिड, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना डस्ट,
Okay.
ठीक है, स्मोक,
Fine.
राइट, तो इसको हम लोग पर्टिकुलर मैटर्स बोलते हैं, ठीक है। रोड कंस्ट्रक्शंस के टाइम पे आप लोग देखोगे बहुत सारा डस्ट जनरेट होता है, तो वहां पे अगर आप खड़े होंगे तो देखो आपको खांसी स्टार्ट हो जाती है, यू कैन नॉट ब्रीथ प्रॉपरली, राइट। अगर आप कंटिन्यूअसली वैसे जगह पे काम करोगे तो यू मे फेस लाइक लंग और हार्ट डिजीजेस, रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स, समटाइम्स प्रीमैच्योर डेथ।
Okay.
Okay, the next one is your sulfur dioxide, SO2. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग देखेंगे फ्यूल कम्बशन बट इलेक्ट्रिक यूटिलिटीज एंड इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस एज वेल एज नेचुरल occurrence like volcanoes. Okay, and the impact will be like asthma and your breathing, it makes breathe difficult.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the major air pollutants, their sources and their impacts. Is this clear?
Okay.
Yes,
madam.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one is what do you mean by water pollution? Okay, when we are talking about this water pollution is nothing but a contamination of water, right?
Okay.
Lakes, rivers, ocean, aquifers, groundwater, right? So this is known as water pollution.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, madam.
अच्छा, अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ aquifers, what do you mean by this term? Aquifers means it is nothing but it is the underground layer of water.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
ठीक है? It is known
Yes,
as
ma'am.
underground layer of water.
Okay.
इसमें अगर हम लोग देखेंगे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे पत्थर के टुकड़े भी आपको मिलते हैं.
Fine.
Okay. And what are the various sources of water pollution? You are having natural sources, जैसे decay, right? Decaying of plants and animals, volcanic eruptions, coastal cliff
Okay.
erosions, landslides, soil erosion. Now all these are natural, but it pollutes our air, water. ओके. हाँ, कल
Fine.
हम लोगों ने
Fine.
एंथ्रोपोलॉजिक सोर्सेस किया था. एंथ्रोपोलॉजिक सोर्सेस जैसे दिस आर द एक्टिविटीज डन बाय द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. जैसे मैं अगर बोलूं
Okay.
इंडस्ट्रियल एफ्लुएंस, आई एम डिस्चार्जिंग माय इंडस्ट्रियल एफ्लुएंस थ्रू वाटर, केमिकल एफ्लुएंस. ओके, तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं मेरे जितने भी स्वेज है, ठीक है, या केमिकल मैं प्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ, लेकिन वो टेस्टिंग के लिए मैं पानी में छोड़ रही हूँ, ठीक है, उसके जो वेस्ट है, आई एम डिस्चार्जिंग दैट
Okay.
वेस्ट मटेरियल थ्रू वाटर. So that is called anthropologic sources. So this
Fine.
includes industry, urban, agriculture and cultural sources. ठीक है. And major water pollutants, if we can see, we are having industrial pollutants. It includes heavy metal like boron, arsenic, zinc, lead, mercury. Agricultural pollutants like insecticides, right? Pesticides. देखो हम लोग जब भी पानी देते हैं झाड़ को और उसमें हमने फर्टिलाइजर्स भी ऐड किया है, राइट? तो वो सब फर्टिलाइजर्स कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? आपके अंडरग्राउंड वाटर, ग्राउंड वाटर में जा रहे हैं, right? So this contaminates your water. So insecticides, pesticides, chemical fertilizers, weeds means what? जो plants, unwanted plants,
Unwanted plants.
राइट, उसको हम लोग वीड्स बोलते हैं, राइट. अर्बन पॉल्यूटेंट्स में अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, वी आर हैविंग सल्फेट आयन, नाइट्रेट आयन, क्लोरीन आयन, okay, sodium, calcium, nitrates and potassium. So all this kind of things are contaminating your water. Is that clear?
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are having this natural pollutants also. We did this. Okay, volcanic dust, debris caused by landslides, decomposed organic matter, physical pollutants like we are having oil spilling होता है. देखो बहुत बड़े बड़े ships oil carry करके लेकर जाते हैं, load करके लेकर जाते हैं from one place to another, right? और कभी oil spill हो जाता है पानी में, आप देखोगे grease spill हो जाता है, right? So that can be your water pollution, suspended solids, volcanic dust, right? ठीक है.
Okay.
And what are the effects of water pollution? Death of aquatic animals, right? Irrigation by polluted water affects plants,
Okay.
right?
Yes, madam.
उसमें
Yeah.
अगर आप देखोगे yellowish coloration और defoliation हो जाते हैं, ठीक है.
Yes.
Then we are having disruption of food chain. We
Okay.
may face this kind of diseases, ठीक है, cholera, typhoid, right? So
Okay.
all these kind of things affects human beings, right? Destruction of ecosystems, right?
Okay.
So all these are the effects of water pollution. Any doubts?
Nothing, madam. No.
ठीक है.
Environment. Okay.
Okay, तो ये समझो आपको.
Madam.
हाँ.
Yes, madam. Could you please open question number 44, madam?
Okay. I will come
I have one
at the
question on
end.
that.
Will that be okay?
I have the class, madam, after this section.
Okay, you are having class.
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Okay, fine. There are slides are remaining. Okay.
Okay.
What is your question? The most
44,
important
ma'am.
pollutants that causes degradation of water quality in rivers and streams. Okay. हाँ, that causes, see, metals, अगर हम लोग बोलेंगे metals, it is having another like type of pollution. ठीक है, तो मतलब यहाँ पे the most important pollutants that cause degradation of water quality in rivers and streams, yes, bacteria presence, right, nutrients, total dissolved solids. अभी हम लोगों ने वही देखा, right, कि कौन से physical pollutants है, types of pollutants, right. So see, we are having this agricultural pollutants, right, nitrate pollutants. So
Answer is an A, B, D, E. I think C option third.
C options, but most important pollutants.
Most important.
Actually, the answer should be fourth.
Okay. Total dissolved salts. Okay, I think maybe I had confused on this, madam. Yeah.
Because see here the like sources of pollutants. If you can see, what are the causes? Okay, we are having natural resources. We are having industrial pollutants, which includes heavy metals, right? So
Fine.
why they discard this metal from this option? Okay, because here the major water pollutants, it includes metals also, arsenic, boron, zinc, mercury. Okay,
Yes,
we are
yes,
having these
exactly.
agricultural pollutants. So bacteria, nutrients, metals should also come.
Okay.
So the answer should be 4.
4. A, B, C, D, E. I think. Yeah. Yes, I have done wrong in this.
Okay, so all like all should be the source of water degradation.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. They have mentioned here metals, right, madam? So I have got confused on this one.
So see, in this particular thing, what are the various sources of water pollution? It includes heavy metals also, now.
Yes, madam. Oh. Fine. I got. Okay.
Okay, so this is how like we need to think. Okay, and I have mentioned you like what kind of disease we may face because of this water pollution. Okay, hepatitis, cholera, typhoid, jaundice, diarrhea, skin disease. So all this kind of diseases you may face due to this water pollution.
Yes.
Okay.
Fine. Okay.
The next one is your land pollution. Okay, land pollution. Acha, one thing, what do you mean by this term, defoliation?
Defoliation
Means excessive loss of leaves. Okay. ठीक है, अगर हम लोग कॉन्टेमिनेटेड वाटर अगर हम लोग डाल रहे हैं झाड़ों में तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा पत्तियां झड़ जाते हैं. So that is called defoliation. Okay. The next one is your land pollution. Now land pollution, we all know that is nothing but the destruction of the earth, land, surface, directly or indirectly as a result of man activities, right? So what are the sources? We are having agricultural sources, right? Just now we talked about this: pesticides, fertilizers, insecticides, ashes. Okay, right. See, I have given you what you mean by like ashes. There are two types of ashes. Bottom ash is the debris from burnt metal and glass waste, and it is not biodegradable. Okay, and the second type of ash is known as fly ash. It is the ash which is trapped by the filters in the chimney of the incinerators. Okay. Mining sources, this you can read and you can go through, right? Mining sources, it includes underground debris, piles of coal refuse and heaps of slag. Okay, industrial sources, we are having paints, chemicals, metals, aluminiums, plastic, sewage treatments, biomass. Okay, garbage or waste. ठीक है, डिफोरेस्टेशन, ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर हम लोग झाड़ काट रहे हैं तो क्या होगा, सॉइल इरोड हो जाएगा, राइट, लैंड डिग्रेड हो जाएगा, there can be land degradation. Okay, then what else? Chemical and nuclear chemical and nuclear emission plants. ठीक है, तो इस ये सारी चीजों को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि दिस कैन बी द कॉजेस ऑफ योर लैंड pollution.
Pollution. Yes, madam. Yeah.
Okay, next, what can be the effect of land
Effect of land
pollution?
pollution.
Hazardous chemical, okay, that can wipe out living organisms in the soil, right? The activity of landfills, mining, industries, वो अगर हम लोग land pollute होगा तो
Hazardous chemicals
vegetation,
means what, madam?
okay, sorry,
Hazardous chemicals means what, madam?
hazardous chemicals, see if we can like apply more and more chemical fertilizers, okay, on the or we can, if we can use so many pesticides,
Harmful
okay,
chemicals, no.
sorry,
Not harmful chemicals, right?
harmful chemicals, okay, hazardous chemicals like it can wipe out like जो भी हमारे soil में, देखो soil, अभी अगर मैं बोलूं कि soil का एक अपना capacity होता है, ठीक है, decompose करने का,
Okay.
right, and
Yes,
if we
madam.
are using so many types of chemicals on the soil, तो क्या होगा, वो plants को nutrients दे पाएगा, वो plants को water दे पाएगा, नहीं दे पाएगा,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Plants
Fine.
they get water, they get nutrients from the soil itself.
Okay.
So hazardous chemical can wipe out living organisms. Living organisms means जो भी bacteria है, जो भी छोटे छोटे insects है जो soil में काम करते हैं, ठीक है, जो plants को खाना पहुंचा रहे हैं, वो मर जाएंगे, तो आपका plant, आपका land क्या हो जाएगा? We may face drought kind of situation.
Yes, madam. Yeah. Okay. I got it.
ठीक है? So
Yes, ma'am.
it may cause arsenic poisoning. It can also cause liver, skin, heart cancers and neurological damage.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay, ultimately क्या हो रहा है, वो vegetation के ऊपर इफेक्ट हो रहा है, right? ठीक है, हर एक चीज अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, it has an effect on the human beings.
Fine.
Okay, the next one is your noise pollution.
Okay.
Now let us do noise pollution. Noise pollution वापस से क्या है? It is an unwanted sound. Okay, unwanted or unpleasant sound which produce discomfort on the ears. अगर आप एक ट्रैफिक में फंस गए हो and continuously वहां पे हॉर्निंग हो रहा है, तो क्या होगा? It is an example of noise pollution.
Fine.
ठीक है, तो कंटिन्यूअसली नॉइज जनरेट होता है, राइट, और उसका सोर्सेस क्या है? वी ऑल नो that what are the various sources of noise pollution. Household sources like TV, loudspeakers, grinders, food mixtures, dryer, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, cooler and air conditioners. Okay, social events, places of worship, parties, discos, जोर जोर से डीजेस बज रहे हैं, राइट, सो दैट कैन बी द एग्जांपल ऑफ नॉइज पोल्यूशन. इंडस्ट्रियल एंड कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज, प्रिंटिंग प्रेसेस, जो मशीन्स, बड़े बड़े मशीन्स होते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट में, राइट, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज में, दिस कैन बी द एग्जांपल और सोर्सेस ऑफ नॉइज पोल्यूशन. ओके, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एरोप्लेन्स फ्लाइंग ओवर हाउसेस, राइट, ट्रेन्स, over the ground, underground trains, right, vehicles on road, they can cause noise pollutions. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what are the effects of noise pollution? Noise pollution may lead to many problems. कैसे? Hearing loss हो सकता है, sleep disruption, stress related illness, speech interference, lost productivity. Okay, so all this can happen with the noise pollution. Now here I want to mention you, आपको पता है noise pollution हम लोग एक डेसिबल तक हम लोग सुन सकते हैं, that you know?
Yes.
200.
ठीक है, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ if our decibel is under 65, dB stands for decibel, so we can say it is okay, right, we can bear that. If it is in between 65 decibel to 80 decibels, right, so we can say it is intrusive. right? If it is in between 80 decibels to 88 decibel, right, then we can say that it is annoying.
Mm-hmm.
If it is in between, if it is 88 decibels, अगर हम लोग 88 decibels बोल रहे हैं, it can cause hearing disbursement or impairment.
Okay.
Okay, it may damage, right? If it is 135 to 150 decibels, then it is painful. Right? कभी कभी देखो कानों से खून निकल कर आ जाते हैं. If it is 150 decibels and above, then it is
Mm-hmm.
permanent loss of hair or permanent hearing loss.
Okay.
So these are the things that you need to consider. Is that
Fine,
clear?
fine, fine, fine. Yes, madam.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, so this is about noise pollution. One more thing that I want to share is, yes, we are facing this metal pollution. This is again new thing. Okay. Now this metal pollution, अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, heavy metal pollutions, like we are having lead. Okay, so lead, like it is like we are getting lead sources from mining, automobiles, dyeing industries. Okay, so lead, like it leads to mental retardation and learning difficulties. Okay, so metal, this is one kind of source of metal pollution. The second one is chromium. Chromium and
Okay.
coal. This is the second source, right? जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, thermal power plants. So thermal power plants,
Fine.
so they generate this kind of metal pollution. Okay, fertilizers, mining, all this can be
Okay.
produced, like coal and chromium, they produce from this thermal power plants. Okay, then we are having cadmium. Again,
Mm-hmm.
this is your metal pollution. Okay, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं
Okay.
cadmium, nuclear power plants, batteries, हम लोग जो batteries use करते हैं, ठीक है,
Okay.
so it leads, yes, nickel, automobiles, electroplating. So all this will be your this cadmium source of metal pollutions. ठीक है,
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
fine. So next, I think climate change, and then we will be done with this. Okay.
Shall we continue on tomorrow, madam?
Yes. Wait a minute. So if you can see here, see we are having list like this climate change. Okay. See, tomorrow we are having 2 modules, right? So this
Mm-hmm.
third module, let me finish. Another 5 minutes is required. Okay. So have a look on this climate change. Okay, climate change means it is nothing but a significant changes in the global temperature. All right.
Okay.
See, we all know that global temperature is rising. Okay, warming oceans, shrinking ice sheets, right? Glacial retreat, decreased snow cover, sea level rise, declining Arctic sea ice. Okay, ocean acidification. So all these things we are experiencing, right? ठीक
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
नेक्स्ट अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, नेक्स्ट वन, पहले आपको पता था अर्थ इज लाइक 30%, 30% अर्थ
Yes.
एंड 70% इज वाटर. बट
Okay.
अभी इंक्रीज हो गया है, अभी 71% वाटर हो गया है, 29% अर्थ हो गया है.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो ये सब ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की
Fine.
वजह से आपके जितने भी आइस नो है वो सब मेल्ट हो रहे हैं, राइट? एंड व्हाट आर द कॉजेस? increased greenhouse effect. When we are talking about greenhouse gases, okay, so greenhouse gases में कौन से आते हैं? Nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, okay, water vapor, methane, okay, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, जो refrigerators, ACs में से emit होते हैं, ठीक है? Burning of fossil fuels, right? Like we are having carbon dioxide, industrial activities, right? So you can see this. What are the future effects of climate change? Sea level will rise 1 to 4 feet by 2100. Okay, 2100.
Madam, I'm not getting your screen.
Okay, you are not getting my screen. Vaishali, are you getting my screen?
No, madam.
No, ma'am.
You're not getting my screen. Okay, let me have a check.
Madam,
Wait a minute. Yes.
time. Okay.
Yes. Now, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Okay. So see, this can be like you can study and you can see what are the future effects of climate change.
Okay.
Okay, the next one is what are the steps that we are taking as an Indian government, okay, to reduce this pollution. See, they may ask you the full form of CPCB. It is Central Pollution Control Board.
Central Pollution Control Board.
Okay, and what are the
Yes.
act, in which year this particular acts were passed? So see, I have mentioned certain acts, okay, and their year, in which year they have passed. तो जैसे हम लोग बोलेंगे Water Act, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. It was enacted in 1974. And what is the main purpose? Okay, and this act was amended again in 1988. Amendment means what? We brought certain changes in this original act. तो वो कभी हुआ था 1988 को. तो आपको ये स्टडी करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Likewise, we are having Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act. This act was enacted in 1981, but again it got amended in 1987. Okay?
Fine. Yes, madam. Okay.
Next, we are having SEZ Act. It is in 1977. Environmental Protection Act 1986. Public Liability Insurance Act 1981. National Environmental Tribunal Act 1995. National Environmental Appellate Authority Act 1997. So all these things are mentioned over here. Okay, and what are their objectives? Is this clear?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so this is your last slide. I hope you understood. Okay, and just go through all these things, right? And study more and more whatever information you are getting. Okay, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यही आपका limitation हो, नहीं. Okay, you are getting information from this. Do your own research. ठीक है, अभी मुझे ये मिल गया है, चलो अभी मैं इसके आगे भी करती हूँ. तो ऐसे करके आप ढूंढो. Okay, and करो. Okay, तो चलो all the best.
Madam, send me the questions.
Yes. I will send. Okay, on Sunday you will get the questions. Okay, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला है, you will get questions on your topics that whatever topics we are covering. Okay, you will get your test series on Sunday.
Sure, madam. Yeah.
ठीक है, चलो टाटा, bye bye, good night, take care.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, madam. Okay, thank you so much.